Alright, can I start streaming or not? Please let me know what's going on here. What's going on? Alright, no, how can I do all this? Am I streaming? Where am I streaming? What? Alright, am I live? Says I'm live. I don't know how to tell if I'm live or not. Am I live? How can I tell if I'm live? Alright, here, let me. Supposedly I'm live right now. Okay. How is the sound quality? How's the sound? Everything good? I don't know. Alright. First live stream, so it didn't work out really well. I don't know. I want to see your chats and everything like that. How can I see everyone's chat? Do I have to go back here to see it? Alright, alright, alright. Good, 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 good. So, while we wait until a little bit more people come, I'm going to talk about what this video is going to be about. Basically, I may do more of these live streams where I just live stream and talk about the stocks I'm looking to trade. And then as well, I'm going to ask you guys what you guys want to trade and stuff like that. Pop out chat. Alright, that's better. So, you guys can comment after I talk about the stocks I'm looking to trade. You guys can comment the stocks that you want to trade. And I can analyze them and we can all just share the stocks we're looking to trade. So that we always have something that we can do. Alright, let's see. Is this on? Yup. So, can you comment yes if you, in the chat, if you understood me and you can hear me? Yes? Yeah? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, comment yes. Alright, good. So, let's see. How many people do we have here? Give me a sec. I'm going to check. 3 people watching. Why is this? Is it showing up on YouTube or how did you guys get onto this? Can I post a link to this in the Discord? Alright, I'm live. I'm sorry. I'll get right into it once I just find what how I can do this. Alright, there's 3 people watching. Alright. So we'll start talking and people will. I was sent a notice. Okay. So I'll start talking about the top stock that I'm looking to trade this week. And I'm going to do this really quick so you guys can see all of my screen, not just part of it. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Bear with me. Bear with me. Once I get used to it, it'll be much, much better. Alright. We got the chat here. Alright. So, the stock I'm looking to trade this week, or I mean next week, starting Monday, and I'm not sure when it's going to reverse, but when I previously traded this, TVIX, the stock TVI, it's an ETF, TVIX. The last time I traded it, I'm pretty sure I caught on right here. I bought at the support, and I put in a decent amount of my portfolio, and it almost like grew my money by 50%. Because if you look at the profits, I mean, at the margins, it's from $36, let's say, to around $55. So that's, I'm gonna use my calculator really quick, just so I can give you guys the percentage. So from $36 to 55, that's pretty huge profit margin. So that's $19 divided by 36. All right, 52% profit margin. And I was waiting for the stock to come back down because the inverse of it, I don't know if there's an exact inverse of it, but there are different stocks that track the opposite of it. They don't really like, what they do is they have like smaller movements, like by percentages. And what I did with my Robinhood account, I bought in one share, like at the end of the day, just to get my foot in the door, just in case over the weekend it spikes up. But if it goes down a bit, no worries, as long as it stays at the support. And I'm willing to hold until like $35. If it falls below, I'll cut my losses. So what I see here is support and resistance. The support is around $37. Resistance is around 55. Last time I broke way above it, and it may affect the pattern slightly right now, but I'm pretty sure it's going to continue what I was doing. So, that's basically it. I'm planning to buy more shares on Monday of the stock if it shows an uptrend, because what you want to do is confirm that the stock is trending upwards, and then it'd be a good time to buy. So, I'm not sure. Let's say for the SMA line. So I would confirm that it's reversing like it did here once it crosses the SMA line. Because every time you see right here where my mouse is, every time it crosses the SMA line, which is the blue line, it always continues to uptrend up until it hits the resistance. And here as well, it hit it like around $41, but then once it started trending up, it went a bit below, but it hit the $55 area. So every time it went above, it hit the $55 area. And right now, the SMA line's pretty low. And right here, this could have been like a fake out where it is right now. So what I'm thinking to do is once it starts trending up and it doesn't get like stuck at this price where it did before, it was like a double top right here, then I'm going to buy more shares, and I'm probably going to put in like my whole account because I trust the stock and I've been trading with it, trading it for a while. So I know its movements and I know it's trustworthy. So yep. Any stocks you guys want to talk about? Want me to search up, look at, so everyone can share stocks? I'm just checking stocks right now. Just comment if you want me to talk about a stock or just check something out. All right. Let's see. Can you guys get my message? I'm gonna say talk. Talk. All right. So, do you guys not have any stocks you want me to talk about? I can talk about other stocks I have on my watch list. I just want it to be more engaging for you guys and not for you all to be bored to death. So, yeah. Oh, by the way, do you see my webcam? Because I'm not sure if that works. Tesla. All right, I'll find Tesla. In the meantime, do you guys see my webcam or not? Do you see like the camera? Or is it like blurred out? No? Or not at all? All right. So, oh, what is going on? Come on, really? During live stream? Stop, let go. All right. So, we got Tesla first, and then we'll go through the rest of the stocks. So Tesla, I've been tracking this also for a while, and I've identified the support and resistance points of it. And it's heavily affected by the news. As you all know, Elon Musk says something and the price shoots up or shoots down, you know? They can release news unexpectedly, and that's kind of hard to predict. So what I would say is be careful for earnings, because earnings can either reduce the price of the stock, like make it drain quite significantly, or it can bring it up a lot. But the chances of that, unless you're really sure about it, I wouldn't bet on it. So I see the supports for Tesla would be around, we could move this support line down to maybe around $250. As you can see, it spiked down here a few times, and I'm not sure we really need these. For now, let's just look at the overall support and resistance. So as you can see, the support is around 250, resistance 360. So the profit margins are pretty large. They're like 30%. So it is worth it if you buy the stock pretty low. But right now, what I see, what pattern might be forming. Let me go onto the 30-minute chart. Okay, so where are the drawings? All right, I can kind of see that it's forming a trend right here, a downward trend, and this may be a support. It's just a rough estimate. So right now you can see like it formed a little pattern while it's trending down, where it hit the support at around 270. What I call this the support? Yeah, okay. So it hit off the resistance recently, and you can see like the patterns forming. It started here, and the resistance is it's a downward trend, and the resistance is right here, and support is down here. So I would say right now Tesla wouldn't be the best buy. I would wait until it falls down to its lower lows, either around 250, or if you're super confident about it, then I'd buy it around 280 or something like that. Like right here would have been a good buy when it tanked down right here. So yeah, during the end of the day, Shadow Drone mentioned that it moved up, and I'm pretty sure it's just gonna consolidate maybe for a while, and it may open red on Monday. And what I'm thinking is that Tesla stock will fall, keep this pattern until it falls down. It may have like one or two more of these bounces, and it's gonna fall down back to its previous support at around 200 and let's move this up a bit, 255 just to be safe, right? 255. So for me, this stock, I would actually buy it if I had enough money. First of all, so I need to get 250 bucks quick. So I would buy it once it falls down to around 255, and I would hold it and potentially sell it just to be also safe. I don't want to hold it to last penny, around $340, because you can see whenever it hits the lows, it may consolidate for a while, but it ends up hitting the 250s. And if it shows a resistance around here, like it did right here, and it did a few mountains, I would just sell it here to be safe, 345 or something. How old am I? Oh yeah, so I'm going through puberty, so I sound like a 10-year-old. Possibly voice cracks are very common, and I will mention that in a face reveal. Once I get more subscribers, I'll mention how old I am. But right now, I'm gonna keep you guys wondering. So that's just my thoughts on Tesla. Next thing, what did you guys mention? AMD or QCOM. I'm pretty sure I traded this stock before. Possibly. All right. Okay, this one also has a pretty neat pattern. Oh, this is a pretty good stock. I would actually look to invest in this. So it released its earnings recently, and it pushed the price down a lot. Was that? Or no? Right here it was. So it didn't do much to the price. So this pattern is super simple, just a horizontal pattern. Let me draw support and resistance for you guys. Support's around $50 and resistance is around $68, $69. Okay, let's remove. All right. So, all right. So you can notice that every time it hits around the $50 area, it ends up bouncing up. It takes a while though. If you look, this is the 1-day chart, so each candlestick equals 1 day. Is that right? I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So it would take a while for this to complete its cycle of hitting from support to resistance. But I honestly might, on Monday, I might consider buying a few shares of this because it's not Well, a few shares. I might buy 1 or 2 shares. Just the support and resistance is super clear on this, and it's right at the support. The only thing I would wait on a little bit is for it to start trending upwards, like it did previously right here. It kind of had a fake up, but once it starts trending upwards, then you know it's going to continue to trend upwards and hit the resistance, go to the resistance, so you can make sure that it's not going to like make a fake out and then fall back below and make lower lows. So that's just the thing you want to be careful about. So yeah, this is definitely, I got to write this down. I'm going to write this down on a sheet of paper really quick. QCOM. All right. QCOM. Good. So, any other stocks? Oh, by the way, for those people, they were saying in my Discord server. By the way, Discord server, should I put a link to this right now? I'll put a link to the Discord server right now. Let's go. Let me know if the description updates right away. Crap. I gotta do this on my phone, because I probably can only get it on my phone. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna do this really quickly. Wait, first of all, just comment in the chat if you aren't in it and you want to join, because I'm not gonna just put it here for no reason. Just comment if you do. Yes, yes. Do you need the link? Right? Yes, if you need the link. Alright, yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna put it on the description of this video. Give me 1 millisecond, alright? Okay, let's go. Description. Or I can just put in the chat, right? Paste. Here's the link. If it's clickable, then you can join from here. Yep. You can join from there, or can I manage the description on this? Let me see. Give me 1 second. So in the meantime, okay, Crocs. Someone said Microsoft. All right, one sec. All right, no, I can't add it to the description right now. I think from my phone. So here's the link. It's in the chat if you want to join. It has around 25 people right now, or 26. So if you join, it's pretty active actually, and everyone just talks about stocks and what they're looking to trade, so you get more ideas and make sure you're making the right decision. You can have other people's opinions on, like, if you don't see something in a stock, like, oh, you don't see this resistance, then they can say it, and it can help you out really with trading. So let's go to, all right, Microsoft, MSFT. All right, so Microsoft, oh my gosh, this uptrend is beautiful. So I would, if I were to grow my account, just want to grow my account, just long-term investing, I would definitely invest in Microsoft, because I feel like it has the potential within like 10 years to double in size for sure. All right, released its earnings recently. Let me see if I can look at something on the 30-minute. I did some analysis on this, but it was way long ago. Okay, let me delete these really quick. By the way, if you guys don't know what I'm using, if you're curious, the orange line is the EMA, exponential moving average, for 12 periods, and SMA is the blue line, which is like more of a long-term moving average. So let's see. Let's draw some support resistance. Try to identify some stuff. All right, so support would be around here, $101, $102, and I would say, oh, for those, I'm sorry, really quick disruption. For those who are asking about the trade I made with UWT and DWT recently, that grew my account by like 3%. They're talking about like Head and Shoulders. They weren't really sure. I'm pretty sure what they were, or just wanted more of an explanation. So this is like a real life example of Head and Shoulders. It's never as perfect as it is on, like, if you look up like a perfect drawing of it. So it's sometimes hard to identify, but it's always good to find it. So it looks like this, where it bounces up, and it has this shoulder where it consolidates for a while, and then goes up, makes the head, which is right here, and the other shoulder, which is here. And it usually goes down to the previous support, or it can even break through lower. So how this can help you is once you identify like, all right, this stock went up. Let's say we were at this point right here, where the stock is right here, and it started to bounce. Then you can say, all right, I might buy in for a quick day trade, but it'll probably go up to the other shoulder and it will go down. So if you could short a stock, then I would short it there, because you can identify the head and shoulders pattern. You can see that it's going to go down, and right here it would have went down for like $5.50 or $6. So I would say right now it broke through. Where is it right now? Okay, my bad. Oh, it's right in between. So I would say it already hit the resistance, as you can see. So I wouldn't say it'd be the best buy right now, because like the potential for profit doesn't outweigh the potential for loss. So what I mean by that is it can go down to $102, which is a loss of around $3.50. But the only profit potential you have is for it to go up to like 107, which is only $1.50. So I would say, I personally, this is just my opinion. You don't have to trade by any means what I say. I would say that Microsoft wouldn't be the best buy for a swing trade right now. If you're buying long term, your choice, do anything you want, or a day trade. I'm just going for the swing trade analysis. You got slaughtered by options. Okay, let's see. EA. 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 Oh, by the way, for the people who didn't see the stock I was analyzing and that has like 50% profit potential, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do it after the EA stock I'm gonna look at right now. Okay, so it's pretty interesting. 50% profit potential on the stock. On the stock I'm gonna show you. So is this Electronic Arts? All right. Is this what you meant, EA? Probably. Okay. So I'm guessing, was this an earnings report? It was probably some news release that shot up the price by 16%. And it's definitely overextended right now. So either it's going to have a small pullback just to regulate the RSI. Right here, the RSI indicator showing that it's super overbought. And I'm pretty sure it's going to open tomorrow, possibly downward. I'm pretty sure it's going to open in the red, because it's super overbought right now and overextended, so it has to regulate itself. And I don't know, there isn't really much of a, I don't see much of a pattern here. Let me check the longer charts, because it was just it went down and then just shot back up. I mean, this could be a support right here, but that's kind of irrelevant right now. And I don't see this stopping at any resistance. So if you guys believe that it's going to go up, it may potentially go back to its higher highs if this stock is like most stocks where it tracks the just overall stock market. So if the stock market is going to continue to go upwards, I'm pretty sure that this stock may continue to go up and hit its higher highs. I mean, I really don't have much of an opinion on this stock. It's completely your choice. I just say in the short term, if you want to day trade or swing trade it, it's super overbought, so don't buy right now. Okay, so let's see. Name Tawana boy, H-Town boy. All right, this stock today I made. Okay, cool. Comment the stocks you want me to look at right now. Oh no, never mind. I was supposed to do the stock that I'm looking at. So stock that I'm looking at, I'm gonna type it in the chat so you guys can see. TVIX. Right here. So for those who weren't here in the beginning, I bought in, for now, 1 share just to get my foot in the door for TVIX. I bought at the end of the day, so I'm basically break even on it right now. And if you guys can't see what I'm talking about here, what's so special about this stock is simple support and resistance pattern. Another head and shoulders right here for you guys who are wondering. Super simple head and shoulders, horizontal pattern. It broke above it and it broke it before, but that was when the stock market crashed. By the way, this is like sort of the inverse of the stock market, but it's like multiplied by like, it says 2 times VIX. So it tracks, it's basically like the opposite of the stock market. It's similar to the opposite of the stock market. So for those who are watching, is anyone watching still? Comment yes if you're watching, because I'm not going to do anything if there's no one watching. Yes, yes, yes. Anyone there? Or am I just alone? Yup, alright, okay, I'm not alone. I just checked on my phone if people are watching. Okay, good, good, good. So, simple support and resistance, and you can see that right now it's at around $37, right? 37.25. And the support right here, we can even lower it a bit, is at around 35 $35, let's say. So, if you were to take this stock and buy it at the support, and it does follow its pattern, and it goes up to its resistance at around um $55, then it would be around 50 to 55% profit margin. And it also might have a breakout like it did before, so that would be like doubling your money basically. But if we do follow the pattern that has been showing and it doesn't break below, then the profit margin is around 50%. That's enormous. And if this stock does start trending upwards and it breaks above the SMA line and it breaks above the $40 mark where it showed some resistance, I'm probably gonna put my whole account, my whole Robinhood account into it because I really believe in the stock and I've traded it before and I've made 50% on it. I bought it last time here and sold it here, and that was before I started recording, by the way. So yeah, that's it for this stock. Like, I'm super excited. I'm hyped because this stock, I just bought this stock really quick at the end of the day just in case it gaps up over the weekend, so I would get some potential gains on that. So yeah, that's basically it. And my loss cutting point, like my where I would cut my losses on the stock, is if it breaks the pattern and it starts trending downward. There's no point in holding it. Why would you hold a stock that's going down and there's no sign of it going upward? So if it were to start going down, it'd probably fall down to $30 or even like 25. So I would sell my shares if it went below, let's say, 30 $33 and a half. That's when I would sell. Or if it's selling off aggressively, then I might just sell it around maybe $34 just to get out of it and not lose a ton on the stock if it doesn't follow its pattern. Because you always got to trade with the plan and know what you're doing. Okay, okay. So that's basically it for this stock. And if you guys like this stock and are looking forward to trading it, just put a thumbs up in the chat so I know if you guys like it. Yes, no. And also comment the other things you want me to go over. The other stocks you want me to go over. I'm pretty sure I saw some other people talking about other stocks. SPY was this? You want me to go over SPY? I guess I can. Crocs? Okay, Crocs. Let's go over Crocs. Oof, this stock kind of got me pissed because I was trading with this account on Schwab, and I bought it in at the support around here. This was a simple to identify uptrend pattern right here. So I bought it at the support and I sold it. I'm pretty sure I sold it just to be safe around here at $21 or like $22 when I bought it here. And then like the next in like a day or two, it shot up to like $27. So I could have like made quadruple of what I actually did. So yeah, that was kind of depressing. But it was still profit, so that's what's important. So Crocs is also pretty good stock. It's on an uptrend. I'm surprised that Crocs are the stock is still rising, and because I used to wear Crocs when I was little, but like now I haven't heard of Crocs being like bought in like new stuff coming out. But I guess the company is growing. Maybe they're making some other products or something, right? Okay, let's see. So I think I'll go with the daily chart. All right. So I drew a support line previously, and it's still following it, which means that it's consistently following a pattern. That's the support. For those who don't know, this was a previous support. All right, let's change that up a bit. Okay, let's take that down to here. All right. Previous support, and it's forming another resistance right here. Okay. So we got kind of like a pitchfork here, self-drawn. All right. So right now, Crocs, I would say it might prematurely like bounce up because my resistance lines aren't perfect. Let me just fix them a bit. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So it's almost at the support, and it will probably continue selling off until like $26, and that would be a great buy. Oh my gosh, all these good stocks showing up. I'm looking forward to trade tomorrow. I mean, Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday next week. So, whew. Wait, Crocs? Did someone say Crocs are used in restaurants? Crocs are used in restaurants? What? All right. Yeah, worn in Europe. Okay, so I would say I would buy myself. Again, my opinion. You don't trade on my opinion. You have to be self-sufficient. That's why I won't most likely tell you guys when to buy or sell because that's your money and I'm not controlling it. So you do what you want with it. And I see Crocs as a potential buy, and the profit margin is from around $26 to, and if it'll continue trending up, around $34. So that's 26 to 34, let's say, to be on the happy side. That'd be $8 profit. That's around 25%, if I'm not mistaken, or 30%. Yeah, that's also huge profit, and this would happen in like a week or two, maybe. It would bounce up in a week or two. I'm pretty sure it doesn't have any earnings coming up soon, or it may have earnings coming up soon. So be careful for that, because that may drive the price either up or down a lot. So I'd say be careful for that. The cook wears them. All right. Yeah, so that's for Crocs. I would say awesome stock. I'm gonna write that down too. Crocs. Awesome stock to buy soon, but I'm gonna wait and buy it at the support. Your guys' opinion, if you want to buy it now, you see it as good value to buy right now, go ahead. All right. Under Armour, UA. All right. Under Armour. So it's been trending down recently. I mean, recently. Like in the last half a year, 6 months, it's been trending down. And let's see, any support and resistance that I myself can find, because you guys could probably see other stuff I can. So I'd say like a overall resistance would be around $22, and support is varying a lot. So let's go maybe a little more in depth on 30-minute chart. By the way, let me know, is the audio good? Because I'm using these ear headphones, and I'm not sure if the audio is good. I could change something later. Earnings on February 27th. All right, so there's still some time for that it may go up. So I would say you're safe with Crocs. So Under Armour, oh my gosh, I'm not sure. Let's see. There was a previous resistance right here at around 1950 or 1965. And let's draw this other resistance. Support. I can't really find any support on this stock, honestly. This is where the indicators might come in handy. So using the SMA, you can kind of tell where if the stock is trending up or down. See, if it goes above the SMA, it means it's trending up. If it goes below, it's usually trending down. So right now it's in the spot where it's like right at the SMA. So I would be unsure if it's gonna go up or down from here. So this stock also I've really no opinions on. I feel though it may have hit the previous resistance at around here. 20, I mean 9, well, it did technically hit 19, even $20 right here. It's one candle during pre-market or something. So I feel like for me it may hit the resistance one more time, but it doesn't really have much space to run. So I wouldn't myself, this is my opinion, again reminding guys, don't trade based on other people's opinions. Ricky's words, if you guys don't know him, he also trades stocks. Yeah, so I would say it can go down to anywhere. Like when you trade stocks, what you really look for is, does it like the Does the potential for profit outweigh the potential for loss? And as you can see, the stock can fall down to like, I don't know, $15, and it's at $19. So that'd be like going down by like, oh my gosh, here come my math skills. By like 25%, the stock can fall, but you can only squeeze out maybe if you're day trading, that's a completely different story. It would probably be worth it. Then you can probably go and sell it at around maybe 1925, 1930, but there's not much profit to be earned on that. All right. Any other stocks? Comment on the stocks. I'll be right back. Like, give me 1 sec. I gotta get some water. My mouth's getting dry from while I was talking. Give me 1 sec. And comment on the stocks. I'll be back in like half a second. All right, I'm back. Some water. Please excuse me for that because getting a little thirsty here. Okay. So, by the way, at the end of this, for those who stay, I'm gonna be hosting a mini like Q&A. If you guys want to ask me some questions, then you can ask them right there. Right now, we're gonna stick to stocks until you guys are good with them. So let's see. Glue. All right. GLUU. GLUU. Oh, by the way, I'm using Charles Schwab software because that's software. I mean, that's the company I use. The brokerage I have like some investments in from like savings accounts and stuff. So, and they have way better charts than Robinhood, obviously. And I just prefer their charts because I've been using them for like a year already. So, yeah. Glue, right? Oh my gosh. Also, you guys are finding great stocks. Thank you for recommending these awesome stocks. It's following a support really closely, and for those who are wondering, the SMA line, sometimes it shows patterns, sometimes it doesn't. Like on this stock, it represents it really well. So you can see that every time the stock like hit the SMA line previously, like around this area, it fell down. It hit it again, it fell down, and then once it went over it, it used it as a support. Previously it was a resistance, and now it's a support. So it went up, it went down and hit the support, and went down and hit it, went up, went down and hit it. It's just like acting like a support, moving. It's like a moving support. All right, so, and I think I analyzed the stock before, and it's pretty beautiful pattern, precisely bouncing off the support line right here. Let's draw the resistance because I'm not sure if it would be the best buy right now. I had an earnings recently and I pushed the price down. That kind of sucks. What is this? Why can't I draw? Oh yeah, resistance. Move. My bad. Trend line. Okay, we're doing this. Resistance would be around here. Get out of this draw mode. Leave draw mode. Alright. I would say that's decent. Alright, so again, like the other stocks I talked about, does the potential for profit outweigh the potential for loss? Alright, who said this stock? Look at Glue. I bought it at $4.02. Oh my gosh, dude, you doubled your money on the stock. Where'd you buy? $4.02? Probably like right here. Monster, you deserve a round of applause, alright? That was pretty good investment, and that was even so long ago. I feel, wait, how, $4.02. I'm just curious. I'm sorry if you guys don't want to see this, but I do. So you might have bought it like here or here, but let's just say you bought it here. That's right now, 2019. This is October, November, December. So last summer, basically. Well, last spring. Thanks. So less than a year, and you doubled your money on this stock. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. This is a pretty good growth stock, I guess. So again, like I was saying, does the profit potential for profit outweigh the potential for loss. Right now, you can see that it's like around the resistance is around $10.30, and the support is around $7.60, and it's gonna move up while the stock moves and trends. So, and also the SMA line may act as a resistance. And if you look at previous patterns, then you can see every time it hit it, fell down. It hit it once and then hit it twice and fell down. So it hit it twice as well recently, and it fell down. So right now, honestly, it could go any way if you look at it that way. Also, I have really no opinion on the stock. I wouldn't buy it because right now I wouldn't buy it. But if you're looking to sell, I don't know, man, because like this stock is going up like crazy. I would just hold it unless you need the money right now, then sell it. But like if you don't need the money, then I would just keep my money in the stock because it's consistently growing and you could even like triple your money next year or something. So, all right, let's see. It was featured today in my stock list in the Bazinga program. All right, let's Regn or whatever how you say that. Regn. All right, okay. Thank you, G's for the first stock recommendation. All right. Let's see. Is this the stock? I'm pretty sure it's a stock. Pharmaceutical companies. Oh my gosh, but this one's actually probably a higher cap. Pharmaceutical company. Okay, so I would say support and resistance on this. Let's try to find this together. Resistance right around here. Well, one of the resistance lines, because there can be many support and resistance lines within one stock chart. We don't even need to do anything higher than this because it probably won't go. I mean, I guess. Right here. And did it really have something here going on? Not really. Okay. So, the stock Regeneron Farms. I'm sorry for saying that wrong for sure. Okay, so previous support was around here, and let's draw that in right here really quick. Support line, okay. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so it recently bounced off the resistance, previous resistance right here. So I'm pretty sure that it wouldn't be, my opinion, again, like I say, you do whatever you want, it's your money. Right now it wouldn't be the best buy, especially because the earnings pushed it downward. It's probably going to continue until it hits the support back around $350. Again, just all my opinion. So that wouldn't be the best stock trade right now. For me. Just what I'm saying. Apple. Someone said Apple. Shadow Drone, thank you. AAPL. Apple was tanking, but like it found its way to start going up. Also, amazing growth stock. If you're looking for long-term investing, I would recommend the stock for sure. Okay, so it had a dividend recently, probably pushed the price up. Ex-dividend date would have, yeah, okay, yeah. And also the EMA, if you guys are wondering, it also acts like the SMA. It's a moving indicator, and sometimes it acts like a moving support or a moving resistance, like it did here. Resistance, 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 and then it turned to support and support. So this will definitely start trending upwards, I'm pretty sure, unless there's some big news or something like China can't buy their iPhones or something like that, whatever. So let's check this out. I don't know if there's any support or resistance. I would just count on like the moving indicators on this one, especially on the daily chart. So I would say it would actually, Apple would be a good buy right now if for an entry, because if you look at the EMA line, it's for some stocks it does follow the EMA line, but sometimes it doesn't. Like it acts as support or resistance. But right now, I would say it would be actually a pretty good buy right now because it's right at the EMA line, and it'll probably have another jump like it did right here, which would lead to the price gaining to from like 155 to like 175 it went. So that's $20 gain. So that's next hop may be around 180 to $190. If it continues to uptrend. Yeah, that's basically it for Apple. I would just use the moving indicator. BRKA. Let's not do that one. Just kidding. All right, I'll do it. BRKA. Berkshire Hathaway, of course. BRKA. It probably doesn't have a lot of volume. So we might look. All right, why is that not showing up? I'm gonna type in Berkshire Hathaway. All right, we're gonna use BRKB. Same thing, just a lower class stock. Same thing for those who are wondering. BRKB. Similar to Apple, it's also a growth stock. I would recommend for long-term investing. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, chill, Georgie, Gregory. Broke stock. All right, whatever. So yeah. Also, this is following like the SMA right here. I wouldn't really say the EMA much. The EMA, like, it's not really effective here. I mean, it does use it as a support sometimes here and a resistance, but right now it just fell below. So for this stock, I'm also not sure. We could quickly draw some support resistance on this stock. Support resistance. All right, let's go. Yeah. Again, it's in between. I would say I usually like to buy stocks right when they bounce off fresh. Well, I call it fresh. Fresh after they bounce off the support. Then you have a big profit margin, and you also are pretty sure and you're pretty confident that the stock is going to go back to its previous resistance. So right now, not a good buy for me. And later, I would buy like around 190 and sell it at 215 area. Okay. Any other stocks you guys want me to go over? Bio VF. I bet this is some pumping them. Bio VF. This stock has like no volume, and it's like, what is this? Is this stock? I don't even know what this stock is. All right, is this like bankrupt or something? I don't know. Okay, next stock. Does anyone have a better stock than this guy? Okay, thank you, Riri or Rear. I don't know how to say your name. I'm sorry. But thanks for chiming into the stream. TBLT. All right. Tough Built Industries. Is this also like some low cap penny stock? I'm not good with penny stocks, guys. Trust me. I mean, I don't know if I'm good because I haven't tried it yet, but I heard they're super risky. So, some news probably released right here caused it to go up a ton. There's not a lot of volume right now. The stock is trading like really not making any big moves. So, if you're swing trading, I would stay away from this stock, but day trading, your choice. I'm not a professional at that or anything. So it's Riri. Okay, Kron. Oh, yeah. Kron. I heard this one a few times. This one's like pumping like crazy. Growth stock, like, I guess it would be growth stock. So it doubled in price. Is this? Yeah, since January. Dang. It doubled in price since January. Beginning of January. Right now, it's starting to trend downward. I've seen this similar pattern, and it might do the same thing or might not, but I just want to show you guys TNDM. This stock kind of burned me. I kind of wanted to go into just regular growth stocks and just put my money in and let it grow. So I bought it right here, and it peaked out, and it fell, and then it stopped trending up like crazy like it did before. Now it's back to where it was, but as you can see, it may like push up and then fall back down. And can't you see the similarity between these two and Kron? It's always good to compare some stocks sometimes. So I feel like it's gonna push down to around maybe 1925-ish right here to right here. But also it's probably news-based moves that the stock is showing. So it's for me it would be hard to predict with technical analysis. But if you're a fundamental analysis kind of person, then go ahead and do that. So for me, I'm not sure about the stock. It's your choice. All right. TBLT. Didn't we just go over that? Or was it TLBT? Wait. TBLT. Yeah, we just went over this. $100 down I would say for everyone who's starting out or just in general and isn't like really experienced, stay away from pump and dumps. This is probably pump and it hasn't been dumped yet. So crown for a put. I wouldn't disagree, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh yeah, day trading Kron would be a good idea too, because it has huge moves, huge potential for profit. KO. Wait, I just want to go to Kron really quick. Look at the 5-minute chart. Let's see. I'm sorry. Kron. I don't know. I'm sorry. Let's go to KO again. I mean, new. KO. Alright, I'm gonna ask one more time. Really quick. Can you guys see my webcam? No, you can't, probably. Just screen recording. Dope. Alright. So, alright, gotta bring chat back. Let's go. Coca-Cola. Previous resistance around here. Also, pretty good growth stock. I would, not really. Okay, but I heard it has pretty good dividends. So, and Warren Buffett's investing in it, so maybe, maybe it's a good stock. All right. So definitely, unless it breaks, because it's just consolidating around this resistance. Right around the 45 or 40. I mean, I'm sorry for my bad talking. So at around 49.50, it's consolidating around this area like it did previously, and it's probably gonna fall back down to its previous supports. Let's check this out. Probably around $46.50. Yeah. Right now, not a good buy unless it breaks the pattern and it continues uptrending. But if it sticks here and it falls back, starts trending downward, then definitely not a good buy. Yeah, unless it breaks the resistance, is good. So, anything else? What do I screen record with? I screen record with OBS Studio. I couldn't figure it out. Right here, I couldn't figure it out how to use it until like today. So that's why the live stream started a little bit later than 6 o'clock, because I didn't really know what I was doing. So first time, so may have some bad stuff. By the way, all right, I'll do Gosh Jeffrey Evans. Thank you. Gosh, and do you guys just put in the chat if you guys enjoy this? Let me know, because I can make these like once a week, so we can like find stocks to trade next week and stuff, and it could just help everyone out. So let me delete this because this is way long ago. Okay, just gotta remove my OCD from this. Okay, so gosh, I trade this also. It's on my watch list. Not recently. Let's see. It broke below its previous support right here, and now I don't know. I honestly don't know. It's about like oil and gas, so it could go anyway. Oof. Most likely, it's just gonna fall back down to its previous low at around $6.06. I remember trading this stock. Yeah, so it may create a support at around $6.10, and yeah, that'll be it. That'll be it for the stock. Okay, and let's see. KO earnings next week. I'll buy a couple on Monday and pray. I would say fund your trades based on like, I'm not fund your trades, but like make your decisions based on either fundamental or technical analysis. Don't be like, oh, I think Coca-Cola is a good company. Well, maybe it'll go up when its earnings come. Like if you read some of their like recent news and stuff, like every time they put out their earnings, it goes up. Then it'll probably repeat. So I would just make it based on some kind of evidence or something, not just like, oh, it looks good, so I'll buy. I'm not saying that you did that, but just for everyone else listening. Make them every Friday. All right, I'll make them every Friday if you guys want. Any other stocks you guys want me to talk about, or do you want to go to the Q&A already? Comment, just comment down below. Q&A or... Alright, let me just check this out. 10 people watching. Not bad, not bad. Alright. Q&A? Q&A. Or one more stock. You guys want me to do like one more stock or something? I am enjoying you finding trades that are primed to run up. Yep, thank you, thank you. SEB. Alright. Let me know once you guys want to switch to the... oh my gosh. Probably low volume as well. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. So, let me know if you guys want to switch to the... oh, and it's $3,600? Or is this like in yen or something? Oh no, this is dollars. Dang. Does this even have good volume? I'm not sure. Maybe it's something with the charts that looks off. Oh my gosh, what the fudge? That's right, no profanity. I don't know. If you are looking to trade this, just be careful, because if it doesn't have much... oh, because I have... my bad. Because some stocks during pre-market or aftermarket, like, they don't move. So let me turn that off really quick. Yeah, it looks a bit better. But still pretty crazy, hectic, but do a quick analysis on this. Resistance around here, support around here. And the price right now is around 3,650. So I would say it's most likely on its way down. And what's it? Oh my gosh. So it hit the support and went back up to the resistance. That's crazy. I would say, oh my gosh, this is so crazy. I would say don't trade this, because you may not be able to get out of the stock quickly at the price you want. And the price can go like crazy direction, because you can see it went from support and resistance within 1.5 hour period. And that could screw you up, because it can like trigger stop losses. So yeah, it's in the between, not the support or the resistance. I'm sorry. BJ's Wholesale Club and Holdings. Is this something like, I don't know. I'm not sure. I've never heard of this, but is this something like Costco? Comment, put in the chat, because I'm kind of curious. Is this like a wholesaler like Costco that people go and buy food and everything from? All right. Isn't it weird when you just hear me breathe in the silence? Yeah. Let me get a breath, you know? Okay, so it's basically a Costco. All right, that's what I thought. And I'm pretty sure it's new, or it released its stocks recently in June or July. Okay, so it's relatively new in the stock market, and I would say right now it wouldn't be the best buy unless it breaks the pattern, because you can always profit off of like a break of a pattern, because it could break the pattern and just start trending up like it did right here, and it could go up to like the highs of $30 or $31. So right now it's at the resistance, so unless it breaks it, then I would say it's not the best buy. I would say a good place to buy would be around $20. And this stock also has huge profit margins as well as huge loss margins. But like from $20 to 26, dang, that's crazy. All right. Someone else said a different stock. Twitter's that TTW? No, that's like something else. Never mind. All right. I did look at the stock previously. Okay, this one might be a good one. Support line. Whatever. Doesn't matter if it's support or resistance as long as it's horizontal line. Yeah. Okay. So it's right at the support, which is awesome. It fell down due to earnings, which kind of sucks, but whatever. So it's at the support, which is pretty nice. and if it does start trending up, and I would say once it like crosses the EMA, it'd be technically trending up. So it would stop at around either 120 or 136 like it did previously. It might break it, but I would say like $120 ish. Fantastic. So that's a pretty good trade, I would say. Right now I gotta write this down. It's one of the write down worthy stocks. I mean that I like. I would swing trade because I prefer swing trading because can't really day trade on Robinhood because of the 3-day trade rule. I just use those to get out of stocks if I like make a mistake or something. In long term investing, those returns are too high. So yeah, so it's right at the support. It has also pretty massive profit margins right here. I wrote it down. So this would be a good buy soon, or you could even buy it now if you're confident that it's gonna go up. So yeah, this is a good stock. Whoever mentioned this, G Steez, you're awesome. Thanks for recommending this stock for everyone. LCNB. LCNB. If you guys are curious about like penny stocks, I'm not interested in them. So if you want to like, if you're gonna ask me about them, don't, because I probably won't have a good answer for you guys. Is this messed up, or do you guys also see this red candle that went up to like $28? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Okay, so all right. I would say $15 support. Support right here. And okay, so recently it's been trending downward, and the SMA has sort of been acting like a resistance to it, and it's approaching it. So profit margin is still pretty high, from $17 to $18. That's still a pretty good amount of money. But just think to yourself, is it worth it? It might just go up there and bounce back down. So you'd have to get out of the position pretty quickly. Yeah. That's basically it for this stock. I mean, I don't have much to say. There can be like a resistance line around here where it's been trading down. Kind of broke. Because another pattern that I kind of realized from the stock was a flag. I don't know how to call it exactly, but it's something flag pattern. Oh, and by the way, sometimes the RSI indicator helps. So for those who don't know, RSI is like when it's above, when the stock is overbought or oversold. And right now you can see that it's pretty overbought, so it may still run up, who knows, but it's looking to fall down. So it broke the pattern right here, the flag pattern. So usually when it's squeezing it, either breaks out in either direction, and then it just completely goes in that direction. So like as you can see, once it broke right here, then it just went down like from $18 to $15. So that went down by like 1/6, which is about, I don't know, 18% or something. No, yeah, whatever. Don't take my percentages because I'm not the best at those. But it fell down by $3. So that's just another pattern I wanted to show you guys. They can use when trading just to identify stocks. So this would still be a valid resistance, I would guess. So I'm not sure about this stock. I like to trade on something that I'm super confident about. If you're confident about the stock, by all means, go ahead, do it. It's a little overbought. So that's just all I'm warning you. It's your money, do whatever you want, but I'd rather stick to the ones that I wrote down right here. So LCNB, you already wrote that. Shirley Lewis, hi. Hello. Thanks for joining the live stream. And Shirley, I'm sorry. Shirley, if you're not on a Discord server and want to join, it's a nice place where everyone can just talk and discuss stocks that they want to trade and everything like that. I could give you the link to join if you'd like. If you'd be interested, just put in the chat if you'd be interested. I'm trying to get more people into the server so I can be more active and more like anyone could just text right away. Even though right now it's super active, even with 25 people. Like if you write something, you'll probably get a response within like 3 minutes. So I'm sorry. Okay. Coty. COTY. Dang, it's a pretty long live stream right here. But if you guys enjoy it, by all means, I'll keep going. I love doing this too. I love stocks and just my passion. I don't know if it's a passion, but for me it is. So I love trading. What's the most expensive stock? I don't know. What is the most expensive stock? I'm not sure. Gregoire. I'm sorry, I'm not sure. Yeah, I can't respond to that because I'm not sure. I'm sorry. Let's see. Not really much of this would be a resistance. It kind of like popped up. What was this? Was this like due to earnings? No, it wasn't. Some news. I bet it was some news. Make sure you're looking at the RSI. It's super overbought right now, so it's due for a pullback. Even though it went up over in after hours, see, it kind of pulled back here. But yeah, so just be careful. It's overbought. I'm not sure. I like to find stocks that either have like an uptrend pattern or horizontal pattern because those are the easiest to like predict. All right, yeah. So just be careful of the resistance right here around 9:45. But that's all really. Do whatever you want. Told you it's your money, and I'm not gonna tell you what to trade because it's not up to me. It's all up to you. Okay, so oh yes, you want to join? I'll send you the link really quick. Everyone can be patient. I had been able to add 3 chat rooms in Discord, but I'm not. You can't log in. Is it because you don't have the link or something? Please excuse me. I gotta blow my nose really quick. Oh, they become outdated. All right, so I'll send a new one out right now for Shirley and Yuriri. So, oh my gosh, just reminded me. Guys probably heard me blow my nose super loud. Yeah, my teachers used to get really mad at me for blowing my nose really loud and disrupting the whole class. And everyone used to laugh at me. Not at me, with me. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna put it in really quick. Any other stocks in the meantime, or do you guys want to move on to the Q&A? Yeah, you heard me. Yeah, it's pretty funny. Some good memories. Let's go Discord. Wait, how do you copy the stock? Okay. Let me really quickly put it in to live stream. Let's go. Sorry to keep you guys waiting. Q&A, alright. Paste. Yeah, so here's the link if you guys want to join. Go ahead. Feel free. Oh, and by the way, do you guys want me to do a video? Just a quick update for my Robinhood today? Or you guys had enough of seeing me and hearing me my cracky voice from a young person? I'm not gonna say my age because I'm saving that for the face reveal once I get more subs and more people watching. Alright. I'll make a video. Alright, I'll make a video. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Because you're gonna hear me blow my nose even louder. So just turn off your mics or something. Yep, we're good. We're good. Alright, so I sent a Discord link out. Probably people are joining. And welcome. Yeah. You're laughing. I'm laughing too. Alright, let's go. Bam. Even though you guys can see my screen, like, not like it matters. Alright. Let's just go over UWT and DWT. I was trading those pretty actively last week. Oh, wait. When you guys are signing in, I gotta use the bathroom really quick, so just give me a sec. All right, we're back, and the people hopefully. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. People who are signing up to the Discord hopefully are back as well. And if you are, just comment so I know you're there, so I can keep going, or I can just keep going, just to keep everyone on track and not bored. So, yeah. Any last time I'm asking, any other stocks you guys want me to do? And if not, we're gonna go to the Q&A really quick. Mini Q&A. If you guys want to ask me some questions, I'd be happy to ask them. Answer them. Okay, let's see. Introduction channel. H-Town boy. Okay. If you're back in the chat, alright, yeah, okay. So, you are a West Coaster. No, I wish I was. I wish I was. I wish I lived in California, but nah. Live in Illinois. Near Chicago. Alright, guys. Let's see. Oh, do you guys want to see WT really quick or not? I don't know. We'll just go to the Q&A right now. Okay, never mind. Let's just alright. What are you going to buy with your $1 million? What's your motivation to try and make this money? So, it's a great question. I like these good questions. So, once I make those $1 million, I'm probably gonna invest. I'm gonna probably put them into long-term investing, except for like 50,000 or something that I would swing trade with, like I'm doing right now, just for consistent income. But for long-term, I would have it. And average market return is around 8% every year. If you guys take 1 million and take 8% of it, then that's $80,000 passively just having your money invested in the stock market. You could just take out your however much you need from your brokerage account once you need it. So that'd be for sure covering living expenses, $80,000 a year. But what I'd really want to do is I'd actually want to donate to charities, especially like cancer fighting charities that help patients who are fighting with cancer, because it's really hard, a tough disease, and it's hard to get rid of it. And just try to make those people feel the best they could and try to get them out of it. And what's your motivation? Yeah, I just want to help other people. I love to trade stocks. I love to trade stocks. I don't know why. Once I started trading, I just fell in love with it, and I want to show other people how to trade as well. And I'm pretty sure, I mean, I think I'm okay at teaching people, and I just like to show other people how to trade if they don't know, if they're beginners, or just help them out like by recommending stocks and stuff. Like we had like a stock talk today, and I hope everyone found some value from it. And that's basically my goals with it. So my YouTube channel, yeah, I just want to help people out. And also, yeah, that's basically it. Help people out as well as track my progress. But the thing is that once you start like recording videos on YouTube, then like you kind of have higher expectations for yourself. Like you keep yourself accountable for like the 5% goal I have to make this week. I have to keep myself accountable for that. By the way, for those who are wondering, on Robinhood, I missed my goal by like I can't remember how much the goal was. I gotta check it out really quick. But I'm at $240. So I think, how much was I supposed to make? Casper, blah 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 blah. Beam. All right, let's go. Okay, so meantime, is it cold there? Yeah, it's winter. It's obviously cold. In Chicago, it's obviously cold in winter. Do you really think, honestly, I feel like I've been doing, all right, so before we get into that, I'm $3 away from my weekly goal today, but I'm hoping with TVIX, with the 50% growth, I'm gonna like get 3 weeks ahead of my goals. So like, do I really think I'll make it? It's not like clickbait, because I actually believe that I will make $1 million. Maybe not on Robinhood. Like I might branch out once I make a few $1,000s. I may branch out, so like the commissions won't really affect me, like on Thinkorswim or Charles Schwab, like I do right now. Yeah, I would like branch out and still record videos and still record my progress of getting to $1 million. Because that's pretty cool to watch. I mean, honestly, if I saw someone actually growing $200 into $1 million and making it there, I think they're a legend. So I'm trying to make myself a legend to myself. If you guys know what I'm saying. So, what is your dream car? Ha 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 ha. Funny joke, but I'm not super interested in cars yet. Like, I mean, for me, it's just like a transportation device. Like, I mean, I would want to get a Tesla because I love, like, I don't know, I like Tesla's business model and everything. The electric cars, no waste to the environment and stuff. So that's also awesome. And you don't have to pay for gas. You just pay for electricity, which is much less. And yeah, I was thinking Tesla should make a car, or I'll make one if I get rich enough. Those million dollars, I'll fund a car that's made with solar panels on the roof. It's pretty smart, you know. It's an electric car with solar panels on the roof. All right. Um, ever heard of U.S. stock trade? Yes, I've heard of it, but I'm not familiar with it. If you guys want, I could check it out really quick. Why are you asking? U.S. U.S. stock trade. All right. Is this it? Just curious. Why are you asking? Unlimited. Oh, unlimited day trades. Is this legit? Actually, this looks pretty good. $1 per trade. $1 membership fee. Dang, dang. All right. $1 per trade. So you get instant settlement. Is that right? Is that right? Right away you get your money back, so you can trade in limited times. Oh my gosh. That looks pretty nice. I gotta save this. Yeah, I'm gonna look into this. Once I reach maybe like a few thousand from Robinhood. I mean, paying $1 a month and $1 per trade is not gonna affect the gains too much. So, yeah, 100%. That looks pretty good. All right. What else? All right. Chicago, because I don't like Chicago. I want to move somewhere warm. I hate it when it's cold. So I'm gonna move out. I'm gonna move out once I make some money on trust stocks. Um, you want a truck? All right, that's pretty cool. Um, Tesla's dope, especially yeah, their Roadster's pretty cool. Yeah, that's like the only car brand that I am slightly interested in. Um, you can trade for $1. Yeah, I need to get an affiliate link for what? For U.S. stock trade to get $1 trades? Is like you get $1 trades forever and like unlimited trades forever, or is it like a first month deal? Because I'm not sure. I'm really considering this. What you're saying? Because I may switch from Schwab to this U.S. stock trade, and it's like legit company. Like, is it legit? Like real and not like a scammy stuff. I mean, their website looks pretty good, so I'm pretty sure they're. Yes or no? Yeah, probably. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Thanks. I'm gonna write that down. U.S. stock trade. How did you hear of it, Riri? How did you hear about U.S. stock trade? Cause I think I saw it on a YouTube video or something. Oh, okay. And do they recommend it? Do they recommend it? U.S. stock trade? Oh, okay. They love it. All right, I'm gonna consider it because PDT rule on Robinhood is kind of dumb. I mean, not dumb. I know they have to do it, but it's awesome to be without it. And do you get unlimited day trades if you have less than $25,000? Is that what it means? Yes? No? You can have like $1,000 and also get like unlimited day trades. All right. Yeah. All right. Okay. So back to the other questions. Who's your favorite YouTubers? Oh dang, I don't really watch YouTube. Not much. I mean, I do watch some YouTubers. I'm starting to get interested in real estate. Oh yeah, with those $1 million, I would definitely start investing in real estate. Real estate. I really enjoy Graham Stephan's videos. If you guys want to check him out, shout out to him. He's pretty cool. Um, do you play Fortnite? No, not anymore. I used to, but not anymore. I feel like I'd rather do some more valuable stuff with my time, like homework, because I'm still in school. That's right. Um, yeah. Any other questions? Or any other stocks you guys want me to talk about? I think someone mentioned before W Day. If you want me to go over that, I'll do it really quick. W Day. If that person's still in the chat, Shirley, I think it was. I don't know. I don't know. Slightly overbought, but may have another bounce up. Here, it may bounce up slightly more. I'm not sure about this stock. There's no really support and resistance levels on here, except for the moving indicators. Another stock. Okay. OSTK. All right. And before I get into the stock, you guys want me to make more live streams, um, like a live stream, like maybe on Saturday or Sunday, just talking about other stocks you can trade. Like I can come prepared with like a list and analyze some stocks for you guys, or talk about some other stocks if you guys find something. Yeah, you want me to do another one? And it could be also about something else. You guys can make up a topic. Let me know, because I don't have such a large audience that I can't listen to everyone. But right now, if you say something, I can for sure take into consideration. Live stream maybe Sunday. All right, yeah. All right, that sounds good. So getting back to OSTK, let's see. The support is around, I would say, 1360-ish, right here. Yeah, that would be support. Previous resistance. All right, no, go back. No, I don't. Remove. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. So OSTK, it had a big climb up recently, and it did that previously. Let's see this resistance. It had the same price movement, I guess, the same place. Okay, that'd be another resistance right here. Usually bounces from, and it did have a flag pattern right here. You guys can see that right here, where it did. I'm pretty sure it's called a bear flag pattern, where it was making lower highs and the same lows. So once it finally broke out, then I told you, like when it breaks out a flag pattern, it usually goes like crazy in that direction. So it even broke its previous resistance and went up to $75. This is this real? Like these profit margins? Some biases they can like multiply their money by 5. Dang. Okay, bye, Greg War. All right, so yeah, for this stock, definitely, I would say I would go for it, but just be careful because there's so many places where it could just stop off. So just be careful once it starts consolidating, turning like starting to turn downward. Then I would just get rid of it and take my profits with this stock. Look at Flying Peacock. Welcome. Did you just come in? Flying Peacock. Nice. Look at, oh my gosh, not look. Fun. Paper trading it in options. Yeah. Should have done that with options myself, not just went into it with my Robinhood account. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, so definitely a huge pump because of news, probably I'm correct, some news source. Not a lot of volume. I would say it needs a lot more volume if you want to day trade or anything like that. So yeah, you can't really even see like the candlesticks because there's like no volume on this stock. Yeah. Anything else? Look at fun. Yes, news. All right. Anything else? What's your 8 subtracted 5? Okay, I'm not that dumb. All right. If you want to answer that question, it's 492. So I'm in the negatives. Amazon. All right. AMZN. By the way, how's your day going? Cause like your trading day. Cause today I broke around even before I released that video. Just want to let you guys know. How was your day? Did you guys make some nice profits today? I always like to hear other people making good money off trading stocks because it's good motivation and everything. Not really here. No, this resistance not much. All right, let's just take this one out. Good day trading, boring trading day. I agree. It was pretty boring. DWT and UWT. I was waiting for like some big move. Nothing happened at all. Oh, and crap! I didn't sell my. I probably didn't get filled on my Robinhood. I had one share of DWT left, and I'm gonna check really quickly if I got filled. Um, Amazon is moving like the overall stock market, basically. Yeah, I didn't get filled with DWT, and I wanted to sell it because I'm pretty sure it's gonna fall. That sucks. Whatever. Yeah. What does that mean? I'm pretty sure I heard that before. What does that mean? Yeah. Okay, let's just finish Amazon. So it's right at the resistance right now. It's starting to trend downward, which is sign not good. Not a good sign. All right, let's see. Let's draw this resistance really quick. Not that. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Guys, let's do this again. And if you look at the microscopic level, then you can see this is its support. If you want to buy and sell, it's not a bad place right now, I would say. Just be careful for not to break the pattern, because it may break the pattern and go back down to its lows around 1,350. But in Spanish. Oh really? Yeah. Okay, that's pretty funny. Yeah, so for Amazon, short term, I'd say it's a pretty good stock to trade. If I had more money on my Robinhood account, I would definitely look into this one, Amazon. I might write it down just to check up on it, see if it does what I think it's gonna do. AMC. All right. Yeah, good stock call. Good stock call. I'm sorry for my blabbermouth. All right, so NBEV. All right, this is gonna be the last stock, and if you guys have like one or two more questions, I can answer that really quick. But I'm gonna have to go soon. And if you enjoy the live stream, by the way, just thanks for tuning in, and I'm happy if you guys enjoy it, then that's fantastic. I'm gonna make more of them. But if you guys don't, then I can just continue with the regular videos, daily updates and stuff. But I like to interact with you guys, like live, so I can actually hear what you guys are saying and everything like that. Oh my gosh, let's see this stock, NBEV, huge push up recently. I have an acquaintance who had bought it around like $4. Now they're going to be probably pretty happy about their gains. So that's 50%. All right. Haha. I got to go. Good live stream. Thank you for tuning in, Jacob. Boring day trading. Oh yeah. Oh, we already talked about that. NBEV, yeah. So right now, I'm not sure. It's trending upwards, which is pretty good, and it might bounce right around where it is, around this resistance, and it has room to run to around $1 up, but it also might break down below because this was kind of forming a flag pattern. Yeah, so it may break down below. This, all right. All right, bye. Riri. I'm gonna have to go also. I'm sorry, but I said this was gonna be the last stock. Jeffrey Evans, save that one for Sunday. I'm probably gonna do a stock talk on Sunday, so save that one and I'll talk about it. This tends to jump to 7, sell of it 7. Oh yeah, that's good ideas. So just to buy it at support, sell at the resistance around 7. That's pretty good trade. All right, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. I'm so happy about this first live stream actually working out. And I'm looking forward to making more with you guys. Thank you guys for watching so much, and I wish you a fantastic weekend. Alright, let's end this live stream if I even know how to. Bye. How do I end this? How do I end this live stream? Is this still live? Oh my gosh. How do I... Ah, this is gonna be so funny. Why is there an hour 30-minute video on your channel? I don't know. Crap. How do I end this? How to end this? Come on. Alright. I don't know how to end this. I don't know how to end this. Oh my gosh, obviously here. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.